everyone, and welcome to my channel. This week, I'll be showing you how to make a floral hoop wreath. These are super easy to make, and I think they're a really pretty and elegant way to add some color to your wall. I also think they'd make a great bridal shower or wedding decoration. But really quickly, before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That would be absolutely amazing, and I'd be super grateful. I'd also like to say a hello and welcome to all my new subscribers. I noticed that there were a bunch of you in December, and I just wanted to say hey, and thanks for sticking around. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so for this project, you're going to need an embroidery hoop, some metallic spray paint, a hot glue gun, some ribbon, and some artificial flowers. You're also going to need some thin, small zip ties, but I didn't realize this until after I already filmed this part. So the first thing you're going to do is figure out what size embroidery hoop you want to use, and then you're going to spray paint it. Just make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area and to cover up any surfaces you don't want to get paint on. Once that side is dry, you're going to flip it over and spray the other side. You're also going to spray the outside of the hoop if you haven't already done that. So once the whole hoop is dry, it's time to decorate. The first thing you're going to do is lay out your flowers and kind of figure out what you want it to look like. Once you're happy with your design, you can then start hot gluing everything down. And for longer pieces like these, I would suggest zip tying them down like so for some extra security. Once you're done gluing your flowers on and everything is dried, all you need to do is add some ribbon. Just tie it on and secure it with some hot glue like so it doesn't slide around. And you're done! You now have this super amazing floral hoop wreath. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. I think this project is really easy to do and the results are absolutely beautiful. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching! Bye!